I built a school exams results data analysis tool in just 5 minutes. If you're a teacher or any public service officer who does a ton of data analytics like Ministry of Health, Ministry of Manpower, Ministry of Education, this use case for data analytics is screaming for you. As a school teacher, you frequently want to harness the power of data analytics to help your students. You have exam results year on year for every single student, cohort by cohort, for every single subject. But you're short on time to create the data artifacts that you require to better help students do better in specific subject areas. Most importantly, you're worried about data privacy. If only there was a way to securely upload student data to the cloud. I'm here to tell you that you can. I'm going to walk you through this tool I built in just 5 minutes, all while preserving student privacy. Now, this tool is special because even though it's hosted online, all data uploaded to it is stored only in your browser. And that's possible because we can use the memory cache in your browser as a mini database. So everything you upload there stays there and it's going nowhere else. Let's see how this tool works. I'm going to log in and that brings me to the dashboard. On the dashboard, I see this option to create a new analysis. So I click it. Let's call our analysis End of Year Results Analysis 2025 and give it a description. It's that time of the year again. Once we're done, we see that the new task is created and we can click on it. Immediately, we're given 4 ways to analyze student results. So let's try cohort analysis, which allows us to see how student results vary year on year. Say we choose to observe students moving from primary 4 to primary 6 from the class of 2021. When we click submit, we get a Sun key diagram. Each line you see here is a student, and we can see how his score for each subject changes year on year. Students who see a 10% increase in grades year on year are shown as green lines. For those who are 10% decreasing year on year, red lines. And those who are stable, they appear as gray lines. This is an incredibly useful tool for identifying students who may require assistance in specific subject areas. Next, we're going to try PSLE score distribution. Let's try choosing 3 different cohorts to compare their distribution. When we click submit, we get 3 histograms that allow us to see how each cohort has performed relative to one another. And we can even combine the histograms into a density function diagram for ease of analysis. Finally, we can also examine things like prelim PSLE correlation. When you choose a specific cohort to analyze, you get immediate insights like how many students improved going from prelims to PSLE and how much of a good PSLE proxy their prelim results were in that year. Okay, I'm going to stop here right now because my intention is not to teach you how to analyze student results. I'm going to leave that to the teachers who know best. My intention has always been to show you that whatever you can imagine, you probably can build it. And even the problem of data privacy can be smartly circumvented if you put some thought into it. Today's use case comes from my good friend, Nyam Song Wee, who's a passionate teacher at Gongshan Primary School. Before I get the dude into trouble, don't worry MOE, don't worry Gongshan Primary School. He didn't give me any sensitive data or procedures. He just described the use case of student analytics to me, and I built a tool for you just to show you how you could do it. So shout out to Song Wee for taking the trouble to tell me some of the analysis he wants to empower our teachers at schools with. And Singapore Public Service, if you've got any other use cases, please reach out to me. And I promise you, if I know how to build it, I will feature it. In my YouTube class, I teach public servants like you the basics of how to build without code. It's completely free. So Singapore Public Service, if you're not subscribed or watching my videos yet, please give it a chance. The link is in the description, in the comments. I'll see you in the videos.